Super Affiliate AI for lead generation. Hey everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how you can leverage AI to boost your lead generation as an affiliate marketer. Getting leads is the lifeblood of any business, so anything that can make that easier or automate part of the process is huge. Stay tuned as I reveal a game-changing affiliate marketing tool. As affiliates, one of our biggest pain points is lead generation. It can be time-consuming and challenging to drive targeted traffic to our offers or capture high-quality leads. Often we have to wear multiple hats: content creation, paid ads, email marketing, and more. There's only so much one person can do. That's why I'm so excited about Super Affiliate AI. Super Affiliate AI is an artificial intelligence tool created by the team at Anthropic to be helpful, harmless, and honest. With Super Affiliate AI you can simply describe the type of content, tools, or solutions you need and Super Affiliate AI will generate it for you. Using Super Affiliate AI to effortlessly create a high-converting landing page, write an email sequence, and even generate Facebook ads to promote my offer. I don't have to come up with these from scratch or hire expensive freelancers. Super Affiliate AI automates so much of the process. And best of all, these AI-generated assets convert. Just look at some of these stellar results I've gotten using Super Affiliate AI for lead general. Super Affiliate AI takes care of the heavy lifting so I can focus on the big picture affiliate strategy. If you're struggling with lead gen and want to boost your conversions, then Super Affiliate AI is an absolute game changer. I'll leave a link below so you can try it out for yourself. Let me know what you think. I'm confident Super Affiliate AI will take your affiliate marketing to the next level.